So I'm double-bodied. No Punenia, I'm not in Nigeria, I'm medical practice in North Nigeria. So I'm American, I'm kind of color. Okay? I'm more So, thank God for today. I see I go like the kitchen of Charlotte Bella.
Well, I want to jolly. That's it. But my governorship, can Chineke Melonia Jibia. I don't get my campaign. I want to stand that tongue mouth. I'm late to work already. Over $1 million in your Melon campaign. Yeah, go for business in there. If I don't get a good contact. Yeah, go business in there. If I don't get a good contact.